So like we said, it is surveying and method. In digitizing, there are different tools you can use to digitize. In the last video, we saw how to digitize using the polygon tool. In this video, we're going to learn how to digitize using the rectangle tool. So the rectangle tool gives you another form of precision, and it allows you to digitize with speed and accuracy. So we're going to learn how to use that. So we need to just click on the building and then we'll click on the rectangle tools. Once you've done that, you see that the plus sign here has a rectangle attached to them. Alright, so what you need to do in this folder, you click on this side one, click the second one, and then you drag. So it's going to align completely as a polygon. So you need to also take care of the selection so that it does not go wild. So if I select like this, you see that within 3 clicks, I have 4 buildings digitized. So I can actually put more speed within the shortest time to have a larger area digitized. So let's see that instance from here now. You see, within the short time, I've digitized this. So all you need to just do 2 clicks and you're gone. So another thing now, look at this one now. This one with a different shape. So I'll just do like this and like this. Now this time around, I'm going to come and click on this tool here, select them together, click on editor and merge them. So it's easier and it's more having the same distance close by. So it has the lengths are the same. If you measure them, you'll find out that the length and the breadth are the same because it gives you a bit of more precision. So in terms of complicated buildings, let's check for any complicated building. Now like this building now, in terms of this kind of building, just look at how I'm going to do it. So type of this complicated building, I'm going to do like this. Going to do like this. So you can see what I can use the rectangle tool to achieve, right? Now with this, all I need is to highlight all of them and match them, and then you will see how it will come out. So you can see within this, we can use the rectangle tool to do quite a whole lot in speed, and the accuracy is also fast. So polygon. So let's go back to rectangle. So I hope you understand. You just click, you use the left hand, the left part of your mouse, left click, then you drag and left click again. So that is the procedure in case you've never held the mouse before. So it's left click, and then you drag and then you drop. So you left click 1, you left click 2, you drag using your mouse. You're just moving your mouse now, and then once you settle at the right place, just click another left click. So 3 left click will give you this. So you can get an image, practice this as much as possible. Make sure you do quite a lot so that you don't forget. Practice often, then any question you send it directly to my mail, or you just drop at the comment section anywhere you can find to reach out to me. It's no problem. So I'll attend to that. So this brings us to the end of this very segment. So we'll be moving into the next video. So I'll see you in the next class.